Hello, I'm Martin from Konica Minolta. Today we are summarizing for you our portfolio of solutions supporting various business processes of real estate companies, developers, construction or investment companies. We have already prepared several videos describing these solutions in high detail, and today we would like to give you the overview and help you to select the best module for each of you.
Hello, I'm Victor. I'm the solution architect for real estate here in Konica Minolta. And let's jump into the first module. Martin, can you please introduce it?
For those of you who are managing the construction themselves or need a very high detail of planning, we have a solution which is a full-flavored project management of construction, and it helps you to cover most of the key business processes linked tightly to accounting data, budgeting, and financial planning. If this is the topic interesting for you, you can see more details in a dedicated video for this module.
Our second module is called Lean Development, and it includes lightweight project management with project teams, milestones, project tasks, Gantt chart, and reminders. If you want to know more, look at our video how Konica Minolta helps other land development teams. Next module is called Sales and Marketing, where we have prepared a marketing list to integrate with the marketing module. And we have achieved a dynamic process of leasing or direct selling of your asset. Have a look at our video how we speed up the process of a large developer.
From our experience, we know very well that during the sales process, which was described by Victor, you are usually facing a lot of customer change requests of the property. With our special extension of the CRM module, you can be sure to deliver the changed constructions and other deliveries on time, on budget, and keep your customers happy. Asset management is a crucial part of a real estate business. Our dedicated module covers all the key parameters about buildings, tenants, valuations, and many more. You can see our dedicated video which is showing in more detail how it can make your life much easier. Investment management is not only important to real estate businesses, but in investment companies in general. Either if they invest in real estate or buying just company shares or any other assets. The module from Konica Minolta is supporting the whole process and giving you a nice overview of all your investments with its key parameters like profitability and timing of the cash flow. You can see all nicely in a dedicated video from us.
For investing, you need money. And besides loans and your own capital, most of you are doing fundraising. which is also the name of our next module from Konica Minolta. We covered the life cycle of investor from the first investment to redemption. Have a look how we support it.
Contracts in real estate are usually very complex. They involve a lot of people from various departments. In our video, you can see how our module is supporting the whole process from the contract creation, the approval workflow, and also the archiving with the OCR feature, allowing you to full text search within the scanned documents. That's all. If you are interested in modules from Konica Minolta, watch our detailed videos or contact us directly. Thanks for watching.
Konica Minolta is here to help you on your digital transformation journey. Thank you.
Konica Minolta. Rethink today to redefine tomorrow.